Karina Beckford, sister and manager of dancehall star Alkaline and producer of the popular New Rules Festival, has achieved another notable milestone.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them?
Wagwan, you don't know Media Fox, you know? Yeah, man. I want Media Fox, man. People, you know me, I see the thumbnail. You know who me come talk about today, you see me? Yeah, man. People, Alkaline have two sisters there. Super sister them. Me I tell you, and me have to show them the respect. Me not lie. As two female and for their own them brother, and you see me? I give the brother the strength and so remember, you know, people, this is not one normal movement, you know. For say, yo, man have him sister them by him side and mash up the world with him new rules. They guide everything, make sure say, yo, everything happen. You see it? Yeah, man. It's a great look for the artist and for know say, yo, him sister them are the mastermind. You see me? Where they run him where make sure say, yo, show already, show set up everything. You see me? Where imagine the man I artist and them affair deal with the shows them and certain little things. Remember, you know, family them, you know, people. Remember say you have artists out there, you know. You see it where them and them family really get along. Worse when it have to do with business or, you understand, or anything have to do with business. Zine or from manage something. It always have some falling out and certain little things. You see it? And I think Alkaline are the only artist in a dancehall where when it comes to yo, him team, and no one normal thing. Is a superstar team the man have. And for know same team is him sister them. And no one normal look. You understand? But me see a clip people and trust me, yo. Me have to tell you, yo, a real business. Me I tell you people, between Alkaline and him sister them, I rate the movement. You see me? And that's why I have to forward out, come talk people. You see it? Because me say, yo, you see that movement you are going, and one normal thing is a rare thing, me I tell you. You see it? And it a go on for years now, if you say, yo, the man sister them, you understand? They by him side and make sure say everything get done. You see it? But me go play that clip here and make you see what I go on. So people, when I realize say, yo, when I realize say, you see what the man did him sister? Yo, this is not one normal thing, people, may I tell you. Pre-back the video. So when I realize say, yo, if I look there, handshake, you don't know a business. The man I say, yeah, respect says to get the job done. Like, yo, me just rate the team. Me just rate the Alkaline team. Me I tell you. And for know say, yo, the man two sister them I make the thing govern. You see it? Yeah, man, it's a wonderful look. And you see what them doing at Trelawney. You see it? And a one normal thing. You see me? And trust me, people you see in a dancehall, you have to make sure say as an artist, you have your team well structured so it not have no bag of mistake and certain little things. A lot of dancehall artists, them not have the team behind them, the structure and certain little thing behind them with a carry on them movement, you see me? Carry on them career. You understand? If you go at a magnitude, you have to have a team behind you. You understand? Where you as the artist can just all they do, put out your song them, whenever the stage set up or whatever bookings, you know say alright. This are where you do as an artist I just go up on the stage, zine, put out your song them, and then whenever you get bookings and certain little things, you just do your bookings, go up on the show, come back at your yard and you just know say look at your team make everything sorted out. You have that team there for structure your things. So when you walk on the stage, your team make sure it's alright. People clear certain little things. You have to have your things structure. But people may go play the video cause adjust the energy between Alkaline and him sister. Trust me, this is a super move. This is that chemistry just strong. You see me? Cause yeah, you might have a sister, you know. Zine. But it's like certain little thing, but when you have a sister where it come like say it's just a business partner. You see what I'm trying to say? Yeah man, no conflict of interest thing. You just know say you're a business. You see it? Yeah man people. You see it. So I just saw the thing said. You see it. But this are the thing, you know, people. So the other sister, yeah, you have Kimmy. You see it. You don't know. Him have two sisters. You don't know Kerry, and you don't know one named Kimmy. So you know, say yo, Kimmy, you know, she would have be like the second, and you see me where I make sure say yo, our brother good and thing, and you know, cause if you see her, she and Alka par yourself for the interview him do with there, you see it, she have to make the thing get done and certain little things. You see it, yeah man, and I saw the thing said. You see me? Yeah man, so when Karina did it, you don't know she did it. You see it? Yeah man. You know the thing said. You see it? So if you realize say yo, this is a superstar level, like these the man sister them come like say yo, I just yo, may I tell you, I one of the world best sister them, may I tell you. Yeah man, one of the world best sister them people, trust me. It's a good look. You see, I'm a rate say yo, them there on the dog and you know, govern everything and make sure everything go good and you see me structure certain things. You see it? Yeah. Call up the dog office and thing. But you don't know Kerry, you see me, where did she get, you know, in a few months ago you don't know she achieved her masters. You see it? Yeah man, she achieved her masters where they so people may I make no ear wagwan, you see me? And thing, oh, you see me, how she there on alcohol make everything go good and you see me structure the thing. Cause remember, you know, you have to have your education, you know. You see it, you have to make sure you say, yo, you need music, you have to get all of them information, the structure. So when you put out the work out there, you understand? Yeah, you know how to do certain things, business part of music, deals, all of them look at something there. You see me? So Alkaline sister named Kerry, where there she achieve, she go for her masters and thing, but me I go play and make no ear walk on.
Nicholas Jackson.
Yeah man.
Karina Beckford, sister and manager of dancehall star Alkaline and producer of the popular New Rules Festival, has achieved another notable milestone. Beckford recently graduated as valedictorian with a Master of Science in Entertainment Business from Florida's Full Sail University, adding to her bachelor's from LA Film School. This accomplishment strengthens her expertise in guiding Alkaline's successful career, which has seen multiple albums on the Billboard reggae chart. Beckford's achievement comes just as her brother Alkaline recently received a notable nod from Chelsea FC's striker Nicholas Jackson, who shared an Instagram story of himself in the team locker room, vibing to Alkaline's 2014 hit, Make the Money, We Made It. With this boost, the stage is now set for...
Yeah man people, yeah man. It's a good look. You see it and you don't know the sister make sure you say, look here. I have to get them thing in my brain, you know, cause look here. One day my brother will get there on a level, you know, at a magnitude where I know say, yo, I have to make sure I get the brains, the masters up. You see me? And as Alkaline say, super, you see me? Yeah man, me rate the energy man, me I tell you man, me rate the chemistry with the man and him sister them. Trust me man, that well connect man, me rate how they move business when them, although relative them are family them, but when it comes to you have family time and you have business time, that's how we rate. You understand? Yeah man, and it's not a norm where you have a dancehall artist and them sister them and manage their musical career and certain look of things. You see me? It's a good look. You see me? I have to give them credit as a woman where I govern the thing, deal with certain things. You see me? Especially, you know, as him sister, we are putting in the work for him same way. You see me? Although him are them boss, you see it, but it's a good look for sister, yo. Him sister them, I put them on in him career too as well. You see it, and for so many years, it's constantly just get more super, more, you see me, more progress. You see it? Yeah, man, and it's a good look for the artist too, you see me, cause, yo, family thing, I tell you people, you know, it's not a every time thing where it go work out with family, you see me? We say, yo, a lot of family disappoint people, you see me? Your own family disappoint you at times and certain little things, but, you see me, but if you see Alkaline and them sister them with that chemistry, yeah, man, is a grateful thing, man, I tell you. Yeah, man, and you see, if we have sisters like these, you see me, on a certain level, trust me, things would have booming on a different level. Yeah, man, and it's a great look. It's a great look. And, you know, I know so the artists rate him sister them to a level like different, you see me, maximum level, cause him as an artist, I know say, yo, I not have to worry. You see me, cause I know say, yo, them are gonna get everything done for me. You see it, all me have to do, whatever them set up for me do, schedule or certain things, book flights, all of them look someday, I just know say I get up, put on my clothes ready. Show for do, bam, I get ready, certain little things, yeah, man. Everything ready, everything put in place. Is what I try to say. So that are the thing, people. I just rate the look. You see me? I have a big up Kimmy, big up Kerry. You see it? Yeah, man, big up the whole thing, man. And big up the man himself. You see me, car. I have to make the people them know what I go and say, yo, look here. With Alkaline sister them I do film. And I want normal thing, you see me? Very supportive. You see it? Yeah, man, very supportive people. So I realize say, yo, it's a good look. I tell you, it's a good look for the people, you see it? And, you know, so the Vendetta fans and certain little things. It's a great look, man. Great look, people, man. I tell you. Great look for the artists, you see it? So, when I see them little movement here, I say, yo, do it, you. Big up the sister, them, yeah, man. May I tell you, one of the world's best sister, them. I wish me have a sister like that. You see it? I tell the people, I wish me have a sister like that. Yeah, man. I wish me have a sister like that. I tell the people, wish me have a sister. Or a sister like that where, you see me certain local level, I can rate. You see it? But I rate the artist thing. You see it? And them sister them a do them thing and a govern them thing. It's a good look. You see it? And for no say, yo, for all them years, yeah, judge people, I know one normal thing. When you see the movement, yeah, you have to just respect it and just know, say, yo, man, sister, govern the thing. You see it? And it'll work. Yeah, man, it'll work, man. The team will work, man, not lie. You see, them a keep new rules all over the world, and I think them say, yo, it maybe go like China and Japan and Africa, you understand? It's a good look. I would want to see how them greatness they happen. You see it? But as me say, as a dancehall artist, you have to make sure say, yo, the thing govern, make sure say you have your team. If you don't have your team, you're not going to reach to that element where you want, you understand? You're not going to reach to that goal where you want. Because you alone can't do it. You have to have a team with structure. You see it? Yeah, man, you have a team where we structure the thing. You see it? So people, it's a good look. You see me? It's a good look for the artist. And it's a good look for no say, yo, him have him sister, them a govern him thing. You see it? And make sure say, yo, everything put in place. You see it? And yeah, man, them know how to deal with them thing. You see me? And I realize say, yo, the three of them connect. You see me? And one take care of the business, yeah, and the other one take care of this. If the one you can't make the move there, that one you does alright. Go deal with that. You see, make sure say everything put in place. You see, but I have to big up him sister them, man. I tell you, big man level, I have to big up Karina and Kimmy. Yeah, man, for support them brother all over the years. With no, you see me, with no bad blood and certain little things. You see me? them just strictly business, do them business, and you must say, look here, although I'm a brother this, I still have to make him think govern and deal with it like a business. You see me? Yeah, I know, fubble double. Yeah, man. For big up the team and big up the Vendetta fans them. Support the artists. You see me? Yeah, man. And big up every fans who support them artists too. You see it? Yeah, man. Cause you don't know music and a dancehall and we need the music too. You see it? Yeah, man. Cause the music good too. You see me? Yeah, man. So big up Alkaline team. You see it? So everything can go on. Everything go good. Everything work out for work out. Show them keep. Go good. Sold out. Everything. Yeah, man. The sister them. They there to make sure say, yo, everything gets sorted out. And know say, yo, although I'm a brother this, we have to make it look like say, yo, our boss, and we are work for somebody. You see me? Yeah, man. So, people, trust me, for big up Kerry. You see me? And anybody in our chat, you see it? Yeah, man. You have to big up your sister them, man. You see it? Yeah, man. Everybody in our comment. You see it? Yeah, man. And I don't know anything said, but I don't know if I big up the man himself. Yeah, man. One data boss, man. One Alka, man. One ADF. You see it? Yeah, man. And you don't know one media facts. Yeah, man. But people, when I don't know, you know, yeah, man, I don't know the strips. That is it.